Oh god, it's gonna tone for it. I'm waiting for it. I'm waiting for my 400 to go. Oh hey,
Pretending.
really Tulsa? Really?
National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southern Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, Wagner County in northeastern Oklahoma, Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma, Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, Muskogee County in east central Oklahoma, southeastern Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma, Oglala County in east central Oklahoma until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles south of Pryor Creek to 4 miles south of Haskell to near Tatum, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Oh dear.
Expected hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Broken Arrow, Muskogee, Tahlequah, Okmulgee, Wagner, Bristol, Okima, Bixby, Jenks, Okfuskee, Glenpool, Coweta, Catoosa, Henrietta, Fort Gibson, Checkadev, Haskell, Kiefer, Warner. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 212 and 271. Interstate 44 between mile markers 178 and 201. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern, northeastern, and east central Oklahoma. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for east central Oklahoma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
That was nice. That Paducah just ripped off my intro with that dang cursed image.
What? What cursed?
Well, it's a website, that everyone can go into and do that.
What?
So
What?
there's gonna be the same.
What the fuck? Paducah?
Yeah, we're devious enough. Well, we got another one that's devious.
And then we got a forecast office that's devious. Tulsa. The next thing you know, my radio's gonna go off for something in Arkansas. Just because it's like extreme southeastern Okfuskee County in east central Oklahoma. Bitches. Yeah, Misty, clean up Tulsa's mess. Just kidding. Just kidding.
I have the mopping diamonds to clean it up.
The Linux Penguin armies.
More penguins.
Except now they're janitors.
I'm gonna add more penguins. I'm gonna add Dick Richard.
Oh no, please don't. What? What? The National Weather Service is in Tulsa, and this is the severe thunderstorm warning for Extreme
yellow flag
southeastern
warning.
Fusky County in east central Oklahoma, Adair County in northeastern Oklahoma, LaFleur County in southeastern Oklahoma, Cherokee County in east central Oklahoma, Muskogee County in east central Oklahoma, northern Pushmataha County in southeastern Oklahoma, northern Pittsburgh County. Extreme northern Pittsburgh County in southeastern Oklahoma, Benton County, Sebastian County in west central Arkansas, Madison County in west central Arkansas, Crawford County in west central Arkansas, Franklin County in west central Arkansas. Wait, what? That's probably what I am going to hear pretty speaking shortly. If this shit keeps up. Tulsa! Jesus Christ. Red flag. Well, that's Tulsa for you. They're always pulling red flags out of their ass. I mean, what?
Oh, jeez.
The Weather Service has issued a yellow flag warning. Instead of a red flag warning, how about a yellow flag warning?
What?
Whoops.
Yellow flag warning. Would that be a radiological hazard warning? I mean, what?
We see red flags from my server. Which there's some emojis on there. Oh my.
What the fuck, Misty?
You know what I haven't seen? I haven't seen already emojis in here.
I'm spamming the buzzies.
Thought it should be something different.
Buzzy. I like the buzzies.
Yeah, but if Clay manages to join the server, they are gonna have to be taken out.
What's wrong with the buzzies? What's wrong with the buzzies?
Michael's not comfortable with them.
Why?
To be quite honest, don't even know. Oh wait, that might be because of his Miss. Okay, you. Oh fuck her. Okay, well, you spin me.
I'm getting rid of the buzzies. They're the buzzy ones.
So there are other emojis on my server. They didn't really have to. They probably came from my server.
I put unicorns and I put mopping penguins.
What?
Mop. What, John?
Bop 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 bop.
Not in general, please.
General.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, Garden County in southern Oklahoma, Oklahoma, southern Green County in central Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, northeastern Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, west central Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma.
Oh, that's why my 400 went off.
Oklahoma, south central McLean County in central Oklahoma until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Myers to 6 miles west of Foster to 7 miles east of Geronimo, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals expect hail damage to roofs,
Oh, what emergency.
and vehicles.
Yeah, no, I thought only 3 I put in on the server.
Entries. Locations impacted include southeast.
It has a track involved. Ooh.
Marlow, Walters, Lindsay, Wynnewood, Comanche, Stratford, Georgia,
What's wrong, guys?
We might get a trouble hanger.
Rolfe, Elmore City, Wayne, Delma, Powley, and Katy. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Fuck that. This is gonna be a triple header. Fuck that, John. It's gonna be a triple header.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, northern Cole County in southeastern Oklahoma, Seminole County in east central. At 8:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles west of Wewoka, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Another area of circulation was located 7 miles southwest of Wewoka. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Holdenville, Wewoka, Calvin, Florence, Horntown.
Oh, the Phoenix is streaming.
Cover now. Move to a storm shelter.
Should we even go in there?
The lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are
Oh, they're gonna kill us if we
or in a
move.
vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself.
Or put us in conference.
They never put John in conference. I guess my 400's gonna go.
I'm not. I'm mostly quiet on it.
Come on, 400, you can do it. It's for that area, you dummy.
Angular to near task to 3 miles north of Hayden, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60
I'm at
miles
100
an hour wind
degrees.
gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Muskogee, Tahlequah, Okmulgee,
Looks like-
Wagoner.
It looks like they took that conference roll off.
Busky, Glenpool, Coweta,
They
Catoosa,
did.
Henrietta, Fort Gibson, Checkadet, Haskell, Kiefer, Warner, Morris.
At least that.
This includes the following highways. Interstate 40 in Oklahoma between mile markers 229 and 272. Interstate 44 between
Mister, I
mile
just
markers
realized
170
something.
and
You don't even
201.
talk in my
A
server.
tornado watch remains in effect until 10
No, I
p.m.
don't.
Central Daylight Time for southeastern, northeastern, and
You
east central
should.
Oklahoma.
It's
A
not like
tornado
I'm gonna
watch
like
also
my.
remains
It's
in
not like
effect
I'm
until
gonna
11
like.
p.m. Central
I'm not
Daylight
like
Time.
I'm gonna do anything to you. You're safe in my server.
Same with my server as well.
If anyone bans you for no reason, get their scaffold taken away.
Instagram will be the same thing. They lose their staff role if they just randomly ban people.
Over roadways. Additional details.
Yeah, like why?
In the Central Daylight Time.
It's just not fair. Whoa, what the heck's going on?
KJY95 is having a stroke.
Can't you 995 is off the air?
Del City, El Reno, Chickasha,
It just went off the air all of a sudden.
Did that station hit the fan?
I think so.
It keeps
This
going back.
radio station is currently off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather source. This NOVA radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to another national weather service station or go to this website. Blah 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 blah. Welcome to spamming.
Southern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, northeastern Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, west central
OUN issues severe thunderstorm warning. Tornado possible.
McLean County in central Oklahoma until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:21
It was issued a while ago.
severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Myers to 6 miles west of Foster to 7 miles east of Geronimo, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include things like 5, 10, and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Lawton, Duncan, Falls Valley.
What?
John, can I spam your server?
Yeah, I mean, you can't, since that's the spamming channel. You see, I put unleash your spamming in here.
Okay, I'm gonna spam.
That's what the. Oh, there it goes again.
The National Weather
Oops, okay, you're not supposed to see that.
Northeastern Garvin County in
Someone
southern
did it.
Oklahoma, northern Cole County in southeastern Oklahoma,
Whoops.
Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, Onondaga County in east central Oklahoma, southwestern Potawatomi County in central Oklahoma, Hughes County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern McLean County in central Oklahoma, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles northeast of Wewoka to 6 miles north of Francis to near Stratford, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts sensing pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for
What the fuck?
East central Oklahoma, northwestern Hughes County, and southeastern Oklahoma until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Guys, did you hear that?
p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles west of Wewoka, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Another area of circulation was located 7 miles southwest of Wewoka. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball Sidedale. This is a radar-indicated threat.
KJY95 had a stroke so damn bad that delayed a severe thunderstorm warning goes in and out. Oh my god, no.
Do not stand on the toilet seat.
I'm speechless.
What? No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, John. You do realize you're being caught in 4K. Oh. Never mind, I thought you were about to post something else.
Wow. What the heck? What is these random images coming out of nowhere? Stupid word.
I guess it shows how devious I am.
Oklahoma. Oh wait. Fail.
I didn't realize
KJY95.
It's definitely showing how devious I am.
You lazy ass motherfuckers. You fucking listen to me. You fucking listen to
Why my
me.
photos having a freaking seizure?
Quit having a seizure. Quit.
Are favorable for the development of severe weather.
See if I'll do it again.
Tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons
It's broken.
should be alert for rapidly changing weather
It's
conditions.
not doing it now, though.
Statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather
It's
information.
broken. I can't sense. It just loads random images.
Until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Southern Creek, Northern McIntosh, Wagoner, Cherokee, Okmulgee, Muskogee, southeastern Tulsa, and northern Opusky counties. At 8:22 p.m.
I'll just
Central
spam
Daylight
GIFs instead.
extending from 7 miles north of Wagoner to near 3 miles north of Hayden, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter side hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
You Misty.
Damage to
What?
siding.
Looking spammy.
Locations in or near the path include Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Muskogee,
Chase Elliott again.
Wagoner, Bristow, Bixby, Jenks, Opusky,
Yeah, it did chase Elliott.
Henrietta, Fort Gibbs,
Wait, can you find Bubba Wallace and put it on the damage?
highways.
Wait a minute, I have an idea. We should make Bubba say something. We should be like, hey, Misty, I'm Bubba Wallace. And I like Miss Wallace.
It's a nice way to bring the server to be so to have somebody going on. Because my server is pretty much quiet.
We should have a channel in the server where like all we do is Photoshop.
A tornado warning is in effect until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for East Central and Northwest Hughes counties. At 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was
It's going with this one.
35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Holdenville, Wewoka, Horntown,
This Escape cringe.
Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,
I hate this driver.
vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect
No,
yourself.
don't tell me lost it.
1. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall. Where? Much of central Oklahoma. When?
No, thank you.
8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Impact. Minor flooding in low-lying
Anytime the news and you cringe.
Water over roadways. Additional details. At 7:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, in areas of heavy rain, minor flooding will occur. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that will experience
Hearing that, it would definitely be disagreeing.
Del City, El Reno, Chickasha, Guthrie, Cushing, Newcastle, Blanchard, Seminole, Tecumseh, Perry, Chandler, and Yukon. http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood turnaround. Don't drive when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded